public safety GIS technical consultant. I manage all of DATAMARK's strategic planning services and boundary facilitation services. And with my educational background, I also develop training courses for our clients around topics such as addressing best practices, boundary development, and GIS data management. I'm also a client success manager for the state of Alabama. So NG911 requires us to take a critical look as to how we as GIS professionals are managing our GIS data, because NG911 call routing doesn't work without the GIS data. And because our data is being asked to perform a critical function for 911 call routing at a level of accuracy and completeness that it's never had to have before, there are different facets of data management and workflow development which have often not been considered historically. So those do require a little bit of additional education. And I believe we as GIS professionals and data managers have an obligation to equip ourselves with as much education and training as possible. So the process of addressing and the best practices surrounding addressing are very mystifying for many people, even the authorities that are tasked with assigning addresses. I am very proud of the addressing best practices training that we have developed here at DATAMARK. I think that training course provides a lot of clarity and insight into what can be a very frustrating task for many addressing authorities. Additionally, our cloud assigned product is an easy to use addressing management tool for everyone, even those who don't have a GIS background. And I think it's a great product for those who have historically struggled with other address management solutions. I definitely see an ongoing conversation concerning indoor mapping. We have seen an increase in the awareness of needing to map that indoor space. I also think that we're going to see more development around conversations surrounding best practices for GIS data management and legacy data management as we transition between legacy and NG911. It's a big topic because it involves building data for tomorrow while still meeting the business needs of that data in today's environment. I'm also already seeing greater awareness of addressing for location identification as people seek guidance on how to change addresses within their communities that have historically been a problem for first responders. So those are just some of the things that I think will continue to develop going into this year.